welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making white soup. So I have my yam that I'm going to use as a thickener, and I have my uzuza leaf, I have my chakchak or chonkape, I have my meat boiled already, I have Titus smoked fish, my crayfish. So you guys will see everything I'm going to use to cook this particular white soup. I will actually start by cutting the yam. Wow, is this actually white yam? Because I told the woman that if this yam happens to be okay, because the last one we bought wasn't so good. I wanted to buy like three. I said, no, let me try it out because I know her shop. Once it's good, I'm going to patronize her back. Yeah. I'm going to making use of this parts. I just hope this is a good, I pray it's a good yam. I just hope this is a good yam. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to boil this yam with the fish, with that fish. Yeah, I don't have any dry fish to put um, in this particular white soup. The last one I cooked, there was dry fish, there was chicken, goat meat, but this one is cow meat and fish. Yeah, I'm not going to be stressing myself to pan this yam. Yeah, I'm actually going to be using an electric yam pounder, or yeah, yam pounder to actually pound this. I don't like the color of the yam, honestly. I thought it's going to be yam. Please let me know in the comments, does Benue yam comes with this color? If you're from Benue, does Benue yam actually come? Filming this video is the day I saw a clip on Instablog saying something about Regina Daniel living, that the marriage is violence, that there's a domestic violence in the marriage, that she left Ned Woke house. I don't know how true is that, but to make this food today. So I wanted to make owo soup at first, but we decided to cook what's it called, white soup. Yeah, I will keep pronouncing what my mom used to call it. It's uchon kape. I'm going to wash it now. Once I wash it, I will add it here. I'm just making use of this. I'm going to be adding it. Now I want to bring out my pepper. I want to blend pepper, pour inside. I would have bought this uzuza seed, enough uzuza seed. Look at the quantity I went to buy, and it's very, very small. Look at the quantity. I'm going to wash this. I'm also going to add it inside. I'm not going to put salt, maggi, except pepper. And pepper is like just small because I've ordered, because I've already added pepper in the meat. A little of the pepper, just little of the pepper. I'm not going to add much, just little. So I am going to blend the uzuza seed, but I'm going to add a little bit of unblended crayfish so that I can be able to blend it. To just add a little, I can be able to blend the uzuza seed. So I'm going to be adding uzuza leaf to it. All right. So this is white soup. There's no oil needed. It should be okay. This should be okay, because I myself am not actually hungry. Yeah. want to blend the thickener. That's the yam that I'm going to use. I'm going to make use of this. This is it. It's not actually white. I wanted a white, but this is it. It's not actually white. I wanted a white. I wanted white. Let's see what I got. Be adding the meat water so that I can test it and see what else that is remaining. I'm going to be adding that. So let's add extra water. I think this is enough, so I'm going to allow it to cook. My pepper. It's cook. This is the fish I'm going to be using. I will wash it and add it here. I am going to add the fish now. I don't know if it is going to pieces. That's why I don't want to add it. I'm not going to add pepper again, but I'm going to add a little of more of crayfish. Yeah, and seasoning cubes. I'm going to add. So this is the crayfish. Just going to add 3 seasoning cubes. I need to add some little bit of salt. I need to add salt. Yeah. So let me add my fish. So this is the fish. This is the smoke dried eyes. This is smoked fish. Now I know why when I eat what's it called? White soup at some of the restaurants, I'll be thinking, why is it brown? It's the yam. It's the species of the yam that turn it to brown. Hope I'm not forgetting anything. Okay, is this one okay now so that we can actually blend it and eat our dinner? No, let it. See, it's yellow in color, so it's actually going to be yellow. Do you understand? So let it cook for a while, then I can actually blend it. This our uzuza leaf is ready. Let it boil for a while now, maybe for like 15 minutes more. Our um, white soup should be ready. Yeah, 15 minutes more. It should be ready for. Can you see? I did not add ogiri or locust powder beans or whatever is being called. I did not add ogiri. People used to put ogiri. I'm supposed to put um periwinkle that have been removed from the shell, but I forgot to buy. So our white soup is finally ready. Okay, it's ready. So it's time for us to pound the yam. I don't even know how to get good yam these days. This is not what I signed up for. This is absolutely not what I signed up for. It's ready. Water. Yeah, I said it. It's not good to know that it's going to pound. See my cooking? So our white soup is ready for eating. Okay? Our white soup is ready. Ready, ready, ready. I don't know if you like this part. Yeah, it's ready. Walking love. I don't want much. We've been all night. Ah, we've been all night. It's enough. I can't even finish it. Ah. So our white soup is ready. The yam fucked it up. The yam was giving Abakaliki vibes. The yam was giving yellow vibes instead of white vibes. I also hope you guys enjoyed this white soup. Why did I cover it? Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so to be notified anytime I make a new post. And I have other cooking videos on my channel. Yeah, go and check it out. How I make coconut rice. I tried air fryer. How I made 4 Nigerian dishes in a day. So please check it out. Thanks for always supporting me. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.